DJI Mini5 Pro MasterShots. Got that coming up next. Bill, the drone reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. I am so thrilled with the DJI Mini5 Pro. I've had it up for a couple of flights. It's absolutely fantastic. Today we took it out to see how MasterShots did, and I used two different subject areas. So without any further ado, let's roll those clips in their entirety. Okay, we're here today to take the DJI Mini5 Pro up to do some MasterShots. It is a beautiful day today here. We have 26 satellites, 94% battery, and recording is underway. I'm going to get the drone recording as well too. And that is underway. And I think we can do our takeoff here.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Okay. Get it up to about 100 feet like we like. This is my favorite time of year in Florida. It is just absolutely gorgeous today. It's like about 72, sunny, no humidity, just absolutely wonderful. Let's go ahead and take it out down here. All right, kind of head towards the direction of the pool. Like I said, it's just an absolutely gorgeous day. Get things set up here. Definitely helps being in the shade here, so let's go ahead and we're going to look at that. I'm going to stop recording. Turn on MasterShots. Okay, MasterShots are on. And we're going to go ahead and we're doing the pool. And let's go ahead and get started here. You drag that out of the way.
3, 2, 1.
I love using MasterShots because it really uses a lot of features of the drone, and you really get to see how well it works. I think it's a great test for the drone. And it really encapsulates, you get to see a lot with this as well too. It really brings out, I think, all the best in the Mini5 Pro. And we're doing a circle. See, nobody's in the pool. It's a gorgeous day today, but nobody's in the pool. Now we're doing a rocket. Camera down in circle now. .75% of the way done with this. Do another droney here. from the other side. Centering in on the subject in the middle. This is the last one. Finishing up. Master shots complete. Aircraft returning to original location. Turn to where it started. Okay. All right. That is absolutely, we're done with that. So we're going to go back to video. Okay, that's going. We're going to go ahead and go up to the fountain. And we're going to do the same thing up there too. Do 114 feet. Really, like I said, I know I commented in the first video that the speed of the Mini5 Pro, really, really like the speed of the Mini5 Pro. Does a fantastic job. Get out over to here. I'm going to stop. I'm going to turn this around. Let's adjust this here a little bit this way. Over there. Okay, we're going to stop the video. Now we're going to get back into MasterShots. And let's go ahead and get started again.
2, 1.
Now you do have to pay attention for surrounding obstacles with this. There's a caution that comes up about that, and I think that's an important thing that you need to know. It's just, like I said, it is just an absolutely picture-perfect day. Oh, and the signal interference that you saw in the first video, I did get a comment that apparently someone, I guess over in the UK, they're experiencing this as well, so this is a known issue. So I would expect a firmware update to take care of that probably in pretty short order. Our ponds are not looking very good. Apparently they've hired a new pond treatment company, and they're saying patience with that, that they will get better. So fingers are crossed. This really provides a great perspective on what you choose as your subject. I really like how well this does. And it sticks around the same altitude, which is really nice. It doesn't go lower, I think, than the altitude that you were. Nice above shot of the fountain. Really nice above shot. And it's operating today. MasterShots is great, especially if you're doing real estate photography. It can really enhance your subject. Okay, we're finishing up. Shot complete, aircraft returning to original location. And returns to its starting point, which is fantastic. Okay, let's get back into video. Okay, we're going to shoot video. We're going to go ahead and do a return to home. Once I can find it on the screen, because it's pretty bright and sunny here.
Return to home.
Had to get in the shade to do that. I'm flying a little later in the day than I'd like to. It's around 11 o'clock. "34 satellites, that's incredible. Absolutely love that. Okay, we're coming up. We are right above now. Let's go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. See how we do.
Landing.
Okay, the H is on the mat. Almost no wind to speak of during landing today. And it stuck the landing, absolutely perfect. That was an excellent test of DJI MasterShots for the DJI Mini5 Pro. Question of the day: what did you think of DJI Mini5 Pro MasterShots? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.